Hello, researching class. The story that we're going to be looking at in this week's English lessons is If I Had a Dinosaur by Alex Barrow and Gabby Dornay. I do like dogs. I've got a cat. A fish is far too wet. Because you see, I really want a different sort of pet. I thought about a hamster. I thought about a mouse. But I want a pet much bigger, more the size of, well, a house. I really want a giant pet, enormous, big and strong, with a body broad and solid and a tail that's super long. Oh, if I had a dinosaur, I'd teach him lots of tricks, like how to roll and how to sit and fetch and carry sticks. If I had a dinosaur, I'd walk him in the park. I wonder if my dinosaur would roar, or would he bark? If I had a dinosaur, he'd carry me to school, and all my friends would shout, "Oh wow, your dinosaur is so cool!" My dinosaur would learn to count and say the alphabet, and all the teachers would declare, "Why, what a clever pet!" Dinosaurs need water. I think they like to swim. I'd have to dig a massive pond and fill it to the brim. If I had a dinosaur, I'd feed him lots of greens, like cabbages and broccoli, to keep him full of beans. Dinosaurs make smashing pets, as dinosaurs can do, much better stuff than dogs or cats. Just watch out for the boo. If I had a dinosaur, I'd get a dino flap, so he could come inside my house and take a little nap. Our sofa is enormous. It's big enough for four, just perfect for a sleepy sort of friendly dinosaur. I wish I had a dinosaur to cuddle up at night, to read a bedtime story with and give my dad a fright. Yes, dinosaurs make awesome pets. I'm sure you will agree that of all the pets, they are the best. Just get one and you'll see. The end.